This one is called Nothing Permanent Lasts Forever by DonJuan Writer. By all means have audacity. By all means show your wit. And if you've got the gumption, by all means handle it. By all means stroke your ego. By all means elevate. By all means duck and cover when they come to legislate. If flights of psychophancy leave you under someone else's charms, by all means see your actions and recognize your qualms. For this human interaction is by all means ebb and flow. Every focus is a distraction from everything else you could know.
Jenny kissed me. Jenny kissed me when we met, jumping from the chair she sat in. Time, you thief, you love to get sweets into your list. Put that in. Say I'm weary. Say I'm sad. Say that health and wealth have missed me. Say I'm growing old, but that Jenny kissed me.
Oh, that's lovely. It's one of my favorite poems. Oh, this one is by Corwyn and it's called Pearls. Moments form memories like pearls, the translucent shell taking shape around a tiny grain. A first meeting, a shared song, a child's hand held, a loved one kissed. We string these pearls on the necklace of memory, to wear forever, admiring them in the mind's mirror. Some white, some black, some the color of faded roses, all with rainbow highlights swirling their surface. We have made many pearls, you and I. They're strung lovingly on my necklace, each one glowing with its own light. Some bring a smile, some bring a tear, but each one is precious, and I would not part with any of them. By Corwyn, August 2009.
Rembrandt passed me a poem called To Be a Dog's Apartment by Andres Ehin, Estonia. To be a dog's apartment with 3 barking rooms, with a snout bathroom, with 1 tap dribbles cold and the other hot slobber. To be a dog apartment with floors that howl towards the moon, yellow ceiling lamps at night. To be a dog apartment that detests the smell of cats. To be a dog apartment whose sofa hair bristles up, even at the stench of distant felines.
This is one that is one of my favorites. It's very strange. And I was a TA for him many, many years ago, a teacher's assistant. And this poem, as you'll recognize, is about one of Odysseus's men having come to the Isle of Circe. And I believe it's about more than that. It's called Moly by Tom Gunn. Nightmare of beasthood, snorting, how to wake. I woke. What beasthood skin she made me take. Leathery toad that ruts for days on end, or cringing, dribbling dog, man's servile friend, or cat that prettily pounces on its meat, torches its hours and does not care to eat. Parrot, moth, shark, wolf, crocodile, ass, flea, what germs, what jostling mobs there were in me! These seem like bristles, and the hide is tough. No claw or web here. Each foot ends in hoof. Into what bulk has method disappeared? Like ham, streaked, I am gross, grey, gross, flap-eared. The pale lashed eyes, my only human feature. My teeth tear. I am the snouted creature that bites through anything, root, wire, or can. If I was not afraid, I'd eat a man. Oh, a man's flesh already is in mine, hand and foot poised for risk, buried in swine. I root and root. You think that it is greed. It is. But I seek out a plant I need. Direct me, gods, whose changes are all holy, to where it flickers deep in grass, the Moly, cool flesh of magic in each leaf and shoot, from milky flower to the black forked root. From this fat dungeon I could rise to skin and human title, putting pig within. I push my big grey wet snout through the green, dreaming of the flower I have never seen. And that was Moly by Tom Gunn. In my mind, a powerful poet.
Where poets find words. Where poets find words. Poets, it's said, find words in their head. Though like raindrops, they must be collected. They experiment much with word order and such, till the meaning they line up connected. In this fanciful realm, as you sit at the helm, and inspired words flow with objective, the poetry shows that a good verse lends most to love songs unless you're inventive. But having said that, like Schrodinger's cat, all verse has a chance to make glory. The only exception is tuple dimension, at least in this much abridged story.
A Lemon by Pablo Neruda. Out of lemon flowers, loosed on the moonlight, love's lashed and insatiable essences sodden with fragrance, the lemon tree's yellow emerges, the lemons move down from the tree's planetarium. Delicate merchandise. The harbors are big with it. Bazaars for the light and the barbarous gold, we open the halves of a miracle, and a clotting of acids brims into the starry divisions. Creation's original juices, irreducible, changeless, alive, so the freshness lives on in a lemon, in the sweet-smelling house of the rind, the proportions arcane and acerbic. Cutting the lemon, the knife leaves a little cathedral, alcoves unguessed by the eye that open acidulous glass to the light, topazes riding the droplets, altars, aromatic facades. So while the hand holds the cut of the lemon, half a world on our trencher, the gold of the universe wells to your touch. A cup yellow with miracles, a breast and a nipple perfuming the earth, a flashing made fruitage, the diminutive fire of a planet. And that was a lemon by